Aiming for zero lightning damage, Space Environment and Energy Laboratories has successfully conducted the world's first experiment to induce and guide lightning using a drone. The key to this success was twofold: lightning protection technology for drones and lightning induction technology utilizing electric field variations. Lightning protection technology for drones prevents drones from malfunctioning or breaking down even when struck by lightning. A metal shield called a lightning protection cage diverts the high current of the lightning and simultaneously guides it into a radial pattern to neutralize the strong magnetic field that it generates, thereby protecting the drone from lightning. The lightning induction technology utilizing electric field variations guides lightning to any desired location. Lightning induction works as follows. When a drone with a suspended wire moves through the air, it causes the pre-existing equipotential surfaces in the atmosphere to change. When the switch at the end of the wire is activated, the drone takes on the same potential as the ground, causing the electric field above the drone to become stronger. As a result, a discharge occurs between the drone and the thundercloud, causing lightning. Applying this principle and using a device called a field mill, we conducted experiments under the configuration and conditions shown here and measured the electric field strength on the ground. In December 2024, we launched a drone toward a thundercloud that had formed in the mountainous region of Shimane Prefecture, having just confirmed an increase in the electric field around a ground-based field mill. When the drone entered the thundercloud and further strengthened the electric field, we activated the switch to connect the drone to the ground. As we did so, the sky brightened due to the lightning that was produced, and we observed the glow of the winch section for the wire caused by the high current of the lightning passing through it. After activating the switch, we confirmed that a high current flowed through the wire as shown in this data. This demonstrated that we had successfully induced and guided lightning using a drone for the first time anywhere in the world. Going forward, we will improve the accuracy of lightning strike prediction so that we can fly a drone to points where lightning can be induced and guided more efficiently. Furthermore, we will study and develop charging devices that make it possible to charge and utilize lightning energy.